Game po. Okay po, itaas po natin ang ating dalawang kamay. Isa lang po, joke lang, kanan. Taas po natin ang ating kanang kamay. At sunod po kayo sa aking babanggitin. Oath of Office of Quezon Motorcycle Riders Patrol Officers. I state your name. Having been elected, appointed to the position of state the position of the Quezon Motorcycle Riders Patrol of the state, the city, or municipality you belong, do hereby solemnly promise and swear that I will conscientiously and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and responsibilities of my office. That I will uphold and defend the Quezon Motorcycle Riders Patrol Bylaws and bear true faith and allegiance to the same. That I will obey and enforce the laws, rules and regulations, and policies of the organization. That I will actively participate and support all organization activities and programs, including those that shall hereinafter be adopted that shall benefit my organization in general and the members in particular. And that finally I shall impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily and without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations! Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga newly elected officers.